everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video we are going to be creating some necklace and earring sets, you guys. It's been a while since I made some. Look at that. And these are really simple and easy to make. Look at that one. And these are like little glass beads. Yes, I love how this one is layered, like a layered set. It got two necklaces. And I just had to make a pink one because my daughter, you know, she loves pink. She's like, you don't never make pink stuff. So, yeah. And as you see, I use a lot of seed beads. For these, I just love the way seed beads look, especially when they're accented with like the bigger beads. It just, you know, makes the bigger beads pop. But I also wanted to share with you guys, I went to Hobby Lobby recently because they had a 50% off sale on their beads. And y'all, I got like all of the little dollar beads they had. I don't know what I'm going to use. Hopefully, when I grab one of these out of the bag, it inspires me to... Now, these is like the little silicone beads right here. You know, the ones that they use to make like the little baby chew necklaces and stuff like that. I got two of them. Okay, let's see what else I got. I got some lava beads. Now, you guys know the good thing about lava beads, I love lava beads, but you can also use these to put like some essential oil on it, and it can carry like a scent, you know, all day, so that you smell that you know, that aroma. So that could be like a relaxing thing as well. Yeah, I love these. You guys, I got so many. It's always best to go to Hobby Lobby when they have their little 50% off deals, y'all. I'm telling y'all. I grabbed two of these on accident. I must have grabbed one and my husband must have grabbed one because he was there picking up beads just as well as I was. Yeah, for the ones I grabbed too, he must have grabbed and I must have grabbed. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with that red one. Them beads so big. As you can see, I really like using like the smaller ones. You know what? I might do this one. I think these are cool. I might use these in today's video. Those are pretty cool too. They were different, so. And then these, I just had to re-up on these because I used these like so fast. I just had to restock. So, you know what? I think I'm going to go with these. Yeah, I think I'm going to turn these into a set today. So, I'm going to go ahead and get my supplies and then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to tell you guys the things that I have. I, of course, have some scissors. Couldn't find my actual crimping tool, but I'm just going to be using this. Not sure what this is called. Got my stretch cord. Of course, got my beads. Got one of these. And I have two little crimping pieces. Little crimping beads. And I bought these, like, I bought these a while ago. Never have used them. I got it in both gold and silver. Not even sure if this is going to even look right. Like I said, I honestly don't even know how to use these things. But these are like the little end pieces that would like end the necklace off, I guess. I don't know. Shoot, if some of y'all have used these before, let me know. Dang, that's two. They be hiding. Would that even look right? Does that look right? Or is that like too big? Let me see. These look about the same size. So maybe I go down a size to put, you know, in those. I'll figure it out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get my pattern that I want for my beads, and then I'll be right back. All right, you guys. So I think I got my beads. I still don't know what the heck I'm going to do. So to start, we are going to take one of the crimping beads, slide it on there. We're also going to take the little lobster clamp and slide that on there. And then what you want to do is thread this in back through the little crimping bead. Just like that. And then you're just going to slide it to the end. And now all we have to do is to just simply crimp it. And let's see if I can do that with this tool. Yep. And that's pretty much it. Now, you know what? I wanted to see if I could do this. So that would pretty much have to be at the top, right? Mm. I don't know. Should I do it with that or just what? I have no idea. All right, I'm gonna keep going. Hey, I've never used it, so I'm just gonna keep going. All right, you guys. So I'm all done with the pattern. Now, like I said, y'all, I don't know really how to use this. Hey, I'm just going with the flow. Now I'm going to put the crimping tool back on here. And like I said, you want to thread this back through. Now, what I've been doing lately with my necklaces, just because I don't want to use like the little, what is it? Like the little jump rings or the little, what is it? Train of rings for you to hook it in and adjust it. I usually just do a loop. That way I can just hook this like that and it's done. So that's how I do mine. Trying to just pull it, make sure that it's tight and secure when I go to crimp it. Alright. Y'all, I really don't know. If you guys use these, please, I would love to know, like, the correct way. I really would. Okay. I'm trying to do it without crimping. Hold on, I'm gonna take it off because when I went to crimp it, I actually crimped this a little bit. So it's a little bit folded. And I don't want that. If I just happen to sell this set, I don't want it to have any, you know, any flaws. Come on, go in. Now, like I said, the only thing I'm doing now is trying to make sure that the loop isn't too big, but also at the same time, trying to keep it pulled tight. All right, that's it. I actually like the way it came out. I got the little shiny sparkly beads in there. Cute. All right, moving along. Let's do some earrings. I decided to do something different and use these. Usually I just use the string as well and just string the beads on. So I'm just going to use 3. Let me get my beads together. Alright, you guys, so I did thread it through here, but I could not find my round nose pliers for nothing in the world. And then I just tied it on with the string, but I'm not sure that the string is like, I just tied it in a knot. Usually I'll put super glue on it, but I'm going to try something a little different. I'm going to use my crimping tools. So, crimping tools, yeah. I want to actually try these. Now, I usually use these with my necklaces, but I've never used them for the earrings. But, I mean, if I use these, I figure it would cut out having to use the super glue, right? Wouldn't that just, like, kill 2 birds with 1 stone? I don't even know how this is going to look. Like, what if it don't even look right? So, I guess now I just gotta try to put both of these through here. Alright, got them. Now this is going to be the hard part right here. Trying to crimp them but keep it pulled tight, I guess. Well, shoot, it is what it is now. That thing is cramped. And you know what? It doesn't look bad. Like, I was scared it was going to look just terrible, to be honest. I might start doing that with my earrings. Just because, like I said, it's so much more secure. Okay, and I'm going to be using these for like the little earring parts. So, let's see what that all looks like. Now I don't want to. These little weird pliers I got. Okay, so there we go. That looks so good. All right, you guys, this is how it turned out, and I absolutely love it. Like, I just love it. I'm sure you guys can't see how much it sparkles, but you guys, this is so cute, and it looks so grown. Usually I do, you know, stuff that looks a little, you know, kid friendly, teen friendly. I just love bright colors, and this one is more, you know, toned down, you know, more grown up. I love how it looks. If you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And, you know, I'm real proud of myself. Shoot, I use these things, didn't even know how to use them. I still don't know if I use them correctly. But, hey, I tried something different, you know. That's what crafting is all about. Trying new things, seeing what you like, seeing what you don't like. Yeah, if you guys have, like, a color set that you would like to see me do, you guys just leave it in the comment section. Like, I'm all for it. You guys have a blessed day, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Slide the beat that you got. I'll leave the body